Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Yeah.
So welcome to my new video. Today we are talking about how to make an bootable pen drive or a bootable drive. So all you need to know that a bootable pen drive is a must and needed for installing a operating system in a PC such as Windows or Kali or any other operating system in your PC. So let's begin. First of all, you need an power ISO or image file of that operating system. You can download the operating system from the internet. So I have already downloaded the Windows operating system in a image file or a image from. So first of all, you need to turn on the power ISO. Most of all, wait for it. So I have not buy it, then I need to continue unregistered. When the power ISO is on, you need to click on tools, then create a bootable USB drive. Click on that, and this showing that I need to turn on the power ISO as administrative service. So click on OK. Again, yes. So my power ISO is on administrative service. That is showing that I need to select that image file, that particular image file. So click on browse or that folder image over there. So here my image file. So click on that and click on open. So now my image file is loaded. So that's the very crucial part. You need to be sure that your correct USB drive is selected, otherwise you can format your hard drive completely. In my case, that is HP, my hard drive is connected properly, and right method is USB to HDD to or hard disk drive. After all you are set, then clicking on start. After clicking on start, it will start or initiate the booting process. I have already done it, so I am not going to do that again. So I am going to click on close. I hope you guys all understand how to make an bootable pen drive. So give a thumbs up to my video and hit the subscribe button and bell icon as well. See you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.